Local news for Thursday the 1st of February. Wairarapa still remains under a restricted fire season as temperatures have continued to soar. Restrictions are placed on some burning activities, but you may still be able to have a fire provided you obtain a permit. To check if you require a fire permits for your fire, go to checkitsallright.nz. Steve Mudridge says he can't remember a time in his life when it didn't revolve around Clydesdales. Steve and his Clydesdales are attending this weekend's Wairarapa Vintage Machinery Club's Harvest Rally. The event, held every 4 years, has been staged at the Cleveland Showgrounds on the weekend with the star attraction of the show, a rare Fodden steam lorry. It will return to the Wairarapa after a 60-year absence. At the conclusion of each day, there'll be a spectacular grand finale display with vintage fire engines. And the junior and senior surf champs are on this Sunday at Riversdale Beach. The senior surf champs for members over 14 will also include a masters competition. Anyone over 30 years old can compete, and masters will be in age brackets of 10 years. For local news and sport, I'm Brent Gare.